Oi! 36-46.
What score?
36-46.
10-point game. How is he down for rebound? Roshan, you fancy kid.
Point game. Ready to go. 50-36. 50-36. 100 no game?
No, 150. Last time we played for 125. We are 7 players, no? We can run the thing.
3-on-2, 3-on-2. 52 what? 36.
Hey, defense, da. Hey, play zone, da. What are you all playing, man?
All day. Back.
Hey, 70 points will change, da. Shetty, 70 will change. We'll play for 150. 75, sorry.
38-52.
Oh, fucking hell, dude. Taran, it's time for you to get in, da. You don't do that with that guy, dude. The guy's too tall. The guy's humongously tall. Hey, short, ra. Hey, 11-point game, da. 11-point game.
Hey, what is that?
Hey, play him, da.
41-55. Come on.
Huh? This was a 3, huh? From 52, how you reach 57? Oh, yeah. Yeah, man, you can't stand. Hey, shot, Roshan.
Admissions open for engineering, architecture degree at pre-university at Gopalan Colleges, Puri, Whitefield. Excellent faculty, 100% results, and guaranteed placements and internships. Visit gopalancolleges.com or call 98458 52781. Owning a farmland is not the easy thing, Mr. Chiguru. All you have to do is buy Mr. Chiguru managed farmland. Farms are strategic and that brings you two benefits: high appreciating real estate, passive tax-free income, weekend home. Visit hosachiguru.com to know more. My name is Shankar. Decision maker.
61-44. 61-44. Yeah, from 41-44.
Play. Shoot a 3.
Score is correct. GoPro is there for everything.
Hey, no drive, da. Outside shots. Shot, ra, Gopi.
47.
47.
61. Guys, defense. Kurso, pidi, kurso.
He's too slow for that.
Sunne motivate ಮಾಡೋದು. With that Gopi 49-61.
Ave. Giant too tall for that, da. Loop shot.
Take it. Hey guys, take the fucking ball. Settle down. Behind you. On you.
Huh? Dude, even that Shetty is too strong, dude. What are you talking about?
Hand on you. 63, 47. Samad? 63,
47.
Change it? Huh? Change it. 75.
Change it 75.
49. Play, boys. Come on. Oh. After 3, I took correctly. I didn't see one underboard. That's all. 49, 2 points in 3. Hey. 51. After 46. Give them. 51, 63. Give them 2 points more. One 3-pointer. One 3-pointer, one drive. That's all. 49. Only 2 baskets you got. One 3-pointer, one drive.
Hey, he got one, no? From 41 it changed into 2 threes and 1 2.
2 threes he got, no?
2 threes and 1 2.
47.
What are you saying here now? Score is? What is the score right now?
They're telling it's 51. I'm telling it's 49.
No, that is right. 41, 2 threes and 1 2.
51, 63, play. 51. That was you don't want. Yeah.
Out of that 10 he did 1.
Come on, bro.
Love his confidence, like.
Shoot better this side.
We always end up shooting better this side.
65.
Just 10 we should keep lead, that's it.
Hey, one drive.
Hey, what
one
score?
drive,
65?
No support.
49. Ask, da, Ponna, ask.
Hey, yo, guys.
Pretty boy. Play 65. 12-point lead we have. Shot up.
Shot Ra Shetty.
68-53.
How much?
68-53.
Dude, I like to believe Shetty is more stronger than Ponna, dude.
Hey, good pass, Davizan. Good pass.
Yeah.
Like it turned off.
Hmm.
To save battery.
The previous one which I had was a thing that was for a different GoPro. Ooh, Ponna! Bad luck, man. No, but that's the thing, da. You shouldn't drive now.
70. 53.
Ah, all yours, Gopi.
70-56. One more 3. Go.
Roshan, go.
Trigu.
Hey, sub with Roshan, da.
75 change? No. Change anyway.
58.
How much? 58?
70.
Go. Hey.
Naka, shoot it! Shoot it! Arey yaar. On Ponna.
They just fucked up the game.
Yeah, bro, this was shit.
They're just like such a bad rally, like.
What? 73, 50, 68. 73, 58.
Finally he's taking a rebound. That's what he should have been doing from the start.
And he lost it also.
Good one, bro. Take rebounds like that only, bro.
Whoa! Jamal Crawford in the house.
Hey, what's score?
75.
75.